Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Not only am I a fitness enthusiast, but I also happen to teach some classes, and people are always asking me about a good yoga mat. This is a mat from YOTTOY that is a great mat that I would recommend. It provides lots of support and stability while you're doing all different types of exercises. So the mat is a traditional size. You can see that it has this beautiful color. There are other colors as well. But what I really like about it is the nice dense foam of this mat. Some mats that have the dense foam tend to be a little bit stretchy and you really don't feel like they'll support you, but this one does. As you're doing different types of exercises, whether it be from standing or from the floor, you can see that it has that nice, great pattern on it that provides some slip resistance. I also really like the mat because it is made out of a nice, dense foam. So I find as I'm getting older, when I'm sitting on the floor or maybe have my knees pressed onto my mat, they are really thin and I can feel everything on the floor. This mat has that nice thick foam surface that does not feel like that. The mat also easily rolls up for storage, and not only did they include a strap, which many yoga mats do, but the strap is made out of elastic. So even if I'm on the go and I don't have a lot of time to roll it back up, it will fit in that strap. And I find that that's something that's kind of small but important to me. I really think that this mat is a great mat to recommend if you're just getting started with fitness. It provides that nice support and stability. It's great for doing floor exercises, whether you have shoes on or if you're going barefoot. And in general, the mat is just something that will become a really good friend while you're doing all of your workouts. But that's just my point of view.